Did you know that a simple mix of olive oil and baking soda was once used as a secret remedy for a wide range of diseases? According to old doctors, this powerful combination helped treat 14 different health conditions, and the best part, you can still use it today. In this video, we'll reveal each disease this ancient remedy can fight and how you can take advantage of it right at home. 1. Indigestion and acid reflux. One of the most common ailments treated with a mixture of olive oil and baking soda is indigestion or acid reflux. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is alkaline, which helps neutralize stomach acid. When combined with olive oil, which has anti-inflammatory properties, it soothes the stomach lining and eases digestion. The bicarbonate neutralizes excess stomach acid, while olive oil coats the stomach and reduces irritation. This mixture provides relief from the burning sensation caused by acid reflux. To use, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of olive oil in a glass of water and drink slowly. 2. Constipation. Olive oil has long been known to act as a natural laxative. Its ability to stimulate the digestive system and lubricate the intestines helps prevent and relieve constipation. Baking soda, when added to the mixture, enhances this effect by balancing the pH in the gut, promoting smoother bowel movements. Olive oil stimulates the production of bile, which aids in digestion and smooth movement through the intestines. Baking soda supports this by neutralizing excess acids that may be causing gastrointestinal discomfort. Take a mixture of 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of baking soda before breakfast. 3. Skin conditions, eczema and psoriasis. Eczema and psoriasis are common skin conditions that cause itching, redness, and inflammation. The moisturizing properties of olive oil and the mild alkalinity of baking soda can work together to reduce itching and restore the skin's natural pH balance. Olive oil is rich in vitamins and fatty acids that nourish and hydrate the skin. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant and neutralizes acidic irritation, providing relief to inflamed skin. Create a paste using 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply this paste to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. 4. Arthritis pain. Old doctors often recommended this mixture to alleviate the pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. Olive oil, with its high levels of oleic acid, is a known anti-inflammatory agent, while baking soda helps reduce acid buildup in joints, which is a common cause of arthritis pain. Olive oil helps to lubricate joints and reduce inflammation, while baking soda works to neutralize acid in the body that contributes to joint pain. To relieve arthritis pain, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil with a pinch of baking soda and massage gently into the affected joints. 5. Infections and wounds. The mixture of olive oil and baking soda was used historically as a disinfectant for small wounds and infections. Olive oil contains antibacterial properties that protect the skin, while baking soda creates an alkaline environment that discourages bacterial growth. Olive oil forms a protective barrier on the wound, while baking soda works to kill bacteria by altering their environment, making it difficult for them to thrive. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a pinch of baking soda and apply it gently to the wound or infection site. Cover with a clean bandage. 6. Gout. Gout is a type of arthritis caused by an excess of uric acid in the bloodstream. Baking soda helps neutralize uric acid, while olive oil helps reduce the inflammation in the joints caused by gout. Baking soda increases the body's pH levels, reducing uric acid buildup, while olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the affected joints. To alleviate gout symptoms, mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and consume it once daily until symptoms subside. 7. Mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcers, also known as canker sores, can be painful and irritating. Olive oil's soothing properties combined with the alkaline nature of baking soda create a remedy that promotes faster healing and provides relief. Olive oil coats the ulcer, providing moisture and protection, while baking soda helps neutralize the acidic environment in the mouth that exacerbates ulcers. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of olive oil to form a paste. Apply this directly to the ulcer and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing your mouth with water. 8. Respiratory issues, asthma and bronchitis. Old doctors recommended this combination to treat respiratory issues such as asthma and bronchitis. Olive oil helps reduce inflammation in the airways, while baking soda helps by breaking down mucus and making it easier to expel. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties help open up constricted airways, and baking soda helps clear mucus and restore a healthy pH in the lungs. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and consume it in warm water twice daily. 9. Dandruff. Dandruff is often caused by a dry or irritated scalp. The combination of olive oil and baking soda helps to moisturize the scalp and reduce flakiness. Olive oil hydrates the scalp, while baking soda gently exfoliates and balances the pH. Olive oil nourishes the scalp, while baking soda removes dead skin cells and prevents the overgrowth of fungi responsible for dandruff. Mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and massage into your scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash your hair as usual. 10. Kidney health. Old doctors used a mixture of baking soda and olive oil to support kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Baking soda helps maintain a balanced pH in the body, preventing the formation of kidney stones, while olive oil helps to flush toxins from the body. Baking soda neutralizes excess acidity in the urine, which can lead to kidney stone formation, while olive oil acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the elimination of waste and preventing the accumulation of harmful substances. Take 1 teaspoon of olive oil mixed with a pinch of baking soda in a glass of water once daily to promote kidney health. 11. High cholesterol. Olive oil is widely known for its heart health benefits, and when combined with baking soda, it can help regulate cholesterol levels. The healthy fats in olive oil help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while baking soda helps maintain proper pH balance, which can support overall cardiovascular health. Olive oil increases HDL, a good cholesterol, while baking soda supports a healthy acid-base balance in the blood, helping reduce the risk of heart disease. Consume 1 tablespoon of olive oil mixed with a pinch of baking soda before meals to help manage cholesterol levels. 12. Body odor. Baking soda is commonly used as a natural deodorant due to its ability to neutralize odors. Olive oil adds moisture to the skin, preventing dryness and irritation that can sometimes occur with baking soda use alone. Baking soda neutralizes the bacteria that cause body odor, while olive oil hydrates and soothes the skin. Mix equal parts baking soda and olive oil and apply to underarms or other areas prone to body odor. Let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing off. 13. Yeast infections. Yeast infections are caused by an overgrowth of fungi, usually in moist areas of the body. Baking soda's alkaline properties help balance pH levels, while olive oil soothes the affected area and supports the healing process. Baking soda neutralizes the acidic environment where yeast thrives, and olive oil acts as an anti-inflammatory and soothing agent. Create a paste using 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to the affected area for relief and repeat as needed. 14. Cold and flu symptoms. Old doctors often used olive oil and baking soda as part of a remedy to relieve cold and flu symptoms. Olive oil helps soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation, while baking soda assists in breaking up mucus and clearing congestion. Olive oil coats the throat and reduces irritation, while baking soda breaks down phlegm and helps maintain the body's pH balance during illness. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in warm water and sip throughout the day to alleviate cold symptoms.